during the summer and throughout the school year.
General liability is
Work-life
something
balance.
that's important. To defend, the duty to defend is prevalent in the United States and Canada, where most liability insurance policies provide that the insurer has the right and duty to defend the insured against all suits to which the policies apply. It's usually triggered when the insured is sued or in some instances given pre-suit notice they're about to be sued and subsequently tenders defense of the claim to its liability insurer. Usually this is done by sending a copy of the complaint along with cover letter referencing the relevant insurance policy or policies and demanding an immediate defense. In most U.S. states and Canada, the insurer generally has four main options at this point: to defend the insured unconditionally, defend the insured under a reservation of rights, seek a declaratory judgment that it has no duty to defend the claim, or decline to defend or seek declaratory judgment. The duty to defend is generally broader than the duty to indemnify, but most if not all policies that provide for such duty also specifically promise to defend against claims that are groundless, false, or fraudulent. Therefore, the duty to defend is normally triggered by a potential for coverage. The test of a potential for coverage is whether the complaint adequately pleads at least one claim or cause of action which would be covered under the terms of the policy if the plaintiff were to prevail on that claim at trial, and also does not plead any allegations which would entirely vitiate an essentially element of coverage or trigger a complex exclusion to coverage. It is irrelevant whether the plaintiff will prevail or actually prevails on the claim. Rather, the test is whether or not the claim, if proven, were to be covered. Vague or ambiguous allegations broad enough to encompass a range of possibilities both within and without coverage are usually construed in favor of a potential for coverage.